Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we have an IPC gas cart, changing the filter. So we change our carbon and sediment filters quite often. So this is a filter that's bad. Here's a good one. You can you totally see the difference of them. So to change these out, very simple. There's a nipple in the bottom, rests inside. Once you put this on, it just spins right on. The other filter, you can't tell the difference as much because when this one gets wet, it looks the dark gray just like that. So we always use this filter to determine when these filters need to be replaced. So with the we use these, we replace these once a week. So these are your pre-filters before it goes through the more expensive filters. What's good to do is we label which way is loose on here. Always remembers which way to start, because these can get really tight. So having a wrench to tighten and loosen these is always ideal. But to change out your filters, very important part. These are the cheap filters. Replace these more often than you replace your RO or your DIs. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.